In today's video, we will present the Schema Discovery feature and how it can be used. Let's get started. Every available application in the Okta integration network has a list of supported features that is visible under the Functionality section. One of these features is the Schema Discovery function. In this video, we will use an org-to-org as an example for the Schema Discovery flow. The Schema Discovery function allows you to import the user attribute schema from the application and reflect it in the Okta application user profile. This allows Okta to use custom attributes that are configured in the application side and were not included in the basic application profile. You can find the application profile by going to Directory and Profile Editor. In this case, we will choose the org-to-org application. Here is the list of the attributes that are already present in Okta for this specific integration. There are also attributes that are present on the application side, but are not visible here. In that case, if the application is supporting this feature, we can do a schema discovery to find them. We will use an org-to-org integration as an example for the schema discovery flow. The schema discovery function will import the user attribute schema from the application side and reflect it in the Okta application user profile. This will allow Okta to use custom attributes that are configured on the application side and were not included in the basic application schema. The schema discovery functionality can be found under the application's profile section. Click on Directory, then Profile Editor, and then look for the application profile. If a specific attribute present on the application side is not visible in the application profile, click on the Add Attribute button in order to see if the attribute is visible in Okta. If the attribute is visible in the attribute list that appears, check the box next to it and click on Save. This will add the attribute in the application profile in Okta. If the required attribute is still not visible in the list after clicking on the Add Attribute button, it means that you will need to click on the Refresh Attribute List button in order to trigger a schema discovery. When the schema discovery is finished, an updated list of attributes will appear. If the attribute does not appear through the schema discovery flow, it may mean that the application's service account does not have the required permissions to view or edit the attribute, or that the attribute itself might not be available for the schema discovery flow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.